Say goodbye.
Now you can do it, Mommy.
Do you want your brother to do it?
No.
You gonna do it? Yes?
No.
He wouldn't eat his food. Do you want me to put him in there? Do you want me to put him in there? Yes? You want me to do it? Alright. Here, look. Let's put him in here. Hmm?
Put him in the cup, and then after that, pull all the water out, and then put him in the toilet.
What do you mean? This is the water's dirty. I can't put it in another cup.
Give me.
Put him in there. Put him in there.
Cup.
I don't have a cup that I can throw away. Put it right here. Put it down. Put it down. Go. Say, ready, pour it all the way in there. Put them in there.
No.
Flush it.
Hold on.
No, don't flush. Don't you touch it. Come flush it.
You want me? I'll do it.
You want your brother to do it?
No.
Wait.
First, flush it.